welcome to Nextcart Reviews, the ultimate destination for insane woodworking tools and gadgets that will take every single project you tackle to a completely new level. Smash that subscribe button and check every link in the description to grab these game-changing tools for yourself today. Trust me completely on this one, you genuinely do not want to miss out on what we have lined up. Ever start drilling into a wall and hit nothing but hollow air, or worse, a live electrical wire? Meet the Franklin Pro Sensor M150, the stud finder that actually works. 9 built-in sensors map the complete width of every stud without a single false reading. Live wire detection warns you clearly before your drill ever gets close to anything dangerous. Single button operation with zero calibration needed means perfect accurate results every single time you pick it up. This is the Aero PT50, a pneumatic powerhouse that drives staples with the force and consistency only professionals have access to. Lightweight, oil-free, and equipped with bump fire mode that lets you rapid fire through upholstery and flooring projects without slowing down once. Handles insulation, subflooring, and heavy fabric without hesitation. Connect it to any home compressor and immediately unlock pro-level stapling performance right in your own garage. Woodworkers, stop leaving cut accuracy to guesswork and start working the way professionals actually do. This precision woodworking ruler set is a genuine game changer with a 2-in sliding attachment that locks perfectly straight reference lines without any drift. The dual-purpose setup block, dials in your table, saw, or router fence within seconds. Lock your measurement, transfer your mark, and walk away with flawless cuts every single time. Includes a precision pencil so your markings always match your intentions. Wobbly workpieces ruining cuts that should have been perfect? These heavy-duty track saw clamps lock instantly through a quick-release ratchet and hold 500 pounds without budging. Soft, non-marring pads protect every surface from damage, compatible with Festool, Makita, DeWalt, and MFT tables. Fast, precise, and built to outlast years of daily use. This universal saw guide turns any compatible saw into a precision cutting machine. Rip cuts, cross cuts, sheet goods up to 24 in wide, all perfectly straight every time. Works with left and right bladed saws, clamps securely in seconds, and completely eliminates measurement errors and wandering cuts. Moving heavy machinery around your workshop without wrecking your floors or your back? The WBD YBIA self-leveling casters make it completely effortless. Ratchet-adjusted height control, full 360-degree swivel wheels, and a retractable anti-skid base handle loads up to 2,200 pounds, while everything glides smoothly and stays perfectly stable at your chosen position. Completely silent during operation, safe across every floor type, and built with the durability that serious workshops demand every single day. They're finally a chainsaw that takes safety as seriously as performance. The Jaws saw blade retracts completely inside the body when not cutting, letting you work safely at ground level without any exposed chain anxiety. Slices through branches up to 4 in thick while automatic tensioning and oiling maintain perfect performance. Just 7 pounds and shares its battery with over 75 other tools. Stop estimating angles by eye and start measuring with accuracy that separates good work from truly exceptional results. The Prelexo 3-in-1 angle tool combines a digital level, angle meter, and laser line generator into one compact pocket-friendly package. Reads in degrees, percentage, millimeters, or inches depending on your needs. Magnetic base locks onto any metal surface, auto-reverse display stays legible from any angle, and laser-guided lines make leveling and framing genuinely effortless every single time. Rough, messy edges, ruining otherwise excellent woodwork? The Vioteex double-edged trimmer handles both sides simultaneously, saving serious time on every piece. Tackles, edges up to 40 millimeters wide, removes glue, burrs, and imperfections cleanly. Lightweight, fatigue-free, and equipped with long-life alloy blades that stay sharp through thousands of feet of material. Tight, confined spaces killing your cutting options on every job? This mini hacksaw delivers full cutting performance exactly where standard saws cannot reach. Lightweight aluminum frame with an ergonomic handle gives complete confident control in any working position. Adjusts for both 10-in and 12-in blades, cuts cleanly through metal, hardwood, and plastic, and accepts quick bladeless tool changes. The 24 TPI bimetal HSS blades leave smooth, refined cuts every time. Facing a thick chain, seized bolt, or stubborn padlock nothing else can handle, this 30-in heavy-duty bolt cutter delivers mechanical advantage that makes even the most resistant materials give way with minimal effort. Forged steel jaws with anti-rust treatment stay sharp for years, soft grip handles keep you steady, and the adjustable screw prevents over-travel on every single cut. Precision layout demanding more than your current square delivers? Meet the Natra Mini Carpenter Square, a pocketable tool that performs far beyond its size. Draws straight lines, marks any angle from 0 to 90 degrees, and locates 1/4 in and 3/8 in offsets in seconds. Durable aluminum with laser-etched scales that stay readable through years of workshop use. This compact router completely redefines what a small tool can deliver. A 6.5 amp motor spinning at 32,000 RPM cuts through hardwood, softwood, and sheet goods with effortless consistency on every pass. Rack and pinion depth adjustment gives micrometer precise control you can trust without wasted test cuts. Dual LED lights flood your work area with shadow-free light so nothing gets missed. Fast base swapping and a dust hood keep your workflow clean and moving. Every hole coming out slightly off angle and ruining your joinery? This portable drill guide fixes that permanently. Adjustable from perfectly vertical all the way to 60 degrees with a positive lock that holds your angle firmly throughout every drilling operation. Works equally well on wood, metal, and curved stock without any special adapter. Pocket-sized yet rigid enough to transform any handheld drill into a true precision boring tool. And that is everything for today's woodworking tool lineup. Which one genuinely surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments because I personally read every single one. Subscribe to Nextcart Reviews and we will catch you in the next one.